Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Makhana Kofta Curry. For that I have taken makhana, one fistful of makhana, roasted and kept ready. You have to powder this, make a fine powder, and add 2 medium-sized boiled potato, mashed, and make ball out of this and keep it ready for frying. The gravy is boiling here. At the time of serving, you can add the kofta and serve it, or a handful of roasted makhana. You have to make powder out of this. Here I have taken the makhana powder, chopped coriander leaves, little bit of green chilli paste, masala according to your requirement you can add to this. This is 2 medium size potato. I have boiled and kept it here. Now I will grate this and add to the makhana powder to make the kofta. The kofta is ready. It's very crispy from outside and soft from inside. At the time of putting the kofta, the oil should be hot. Then afterwards you can reduce the flame. Oil is hot. Little bit of cumin seeds. Chopped onion. Few cashew nuts I had soaked and kept it. That also I am putting into this. Saute this till the onion is translucent. I have added 2 tablespoons of tomato paste in this. How to make tomato paste, I will give the link in the description box. You can check that and make the paste and keep it in the fridge. You can make any kind of sabji with that. One tablespoon of pav bhaji masala goes in, and turmeric powder also little bit. We'll mix this well and add water for the gravy and boil it. After the raw taste of the masala is gone, I have added 1.5 cup of water in this and bring to a boil. The gravy is ready. The Makhana Kofta Curry is ready. You can put the kofta at the time of serving, or you can put it in the gravy. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.